Oigan, ven a Farbler, está oliendo algo.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oak Hill, or 8 miles northeast of Franklin, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Brentwood, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belmead, Antioch, and Berry Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Cuando entramos